Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. But I'm not well, I'm literally sick, but that doesn't stop me for making videos for you guys. And yes, I am going to Bangladesh this 28th Jan. I will just edit all of them and schedule them for you guys so that you don't miss any of my videos. Today's video is a Saraswati Pooja get ready with me. And I'm really excited because last year my Saraswati Pooja get ready with me was really popular and people loved it. Like now also I get compliments for that video, so I thought of doing a Saraswati Pooja look for you guys only. So yeah, let's get started with the video. So first I'm starting with this GLAMGALS Zero Pores Primer. Okay, so for a little bit illuminator, I'm using this Master Strobing cream by Maybelline. This is in the shade Nude. For foundation today, I will be using this NYKAA Skin Genius Liquid Foundation. I'm in the shade Warm Sand and I'm using this one because I want to use a lightweight foundation today. So I'm using this. And I'm blending it with my Pack to 55 brush. Now to highlight my face and conceal it, I'm using the PAC Studio DERMA concealer. I'm in the shade B64. And now I'm blending it with my Sigma F79 brush. Now to set my face, I'm using the Miss Claire Blooming Powder in the shade TL4. For contouring, I will be using this Sugar Contour de Force Face Palette and this is in the shade 01. I'm using the contouring shade to contour my face. And for bronzer, I'm using my Bahama Mama bronzer by the BALM Cosmetics. And I'm using the blush from the Sugar Face Palette. So my brows are done. Now I will be doing my eye makeup. So today I will be using this Nubian 2 palette by JUVIA'S. First I will be using the shade Madagascar on my crease. Now taking the shade Jezebel on my crease with the same brush. Now with this PAC 393 brush, I'm taking the shade Madagascar again and blending it on my crease. Now taking the shade Layla and applying it on the outer corners of my eyes. Now I will be cutting my crease with the same PAC Derma Color Concealer. Now taking the shade Seba, I will apply it over my concealer. Now going back with the shade Jezebel and blending it in. Now using the same crease shades on my lower lash line. Now I will apply this plum kajal on my waterlines. For mascara, I will be using this LASH Sensational Mascara by Maybelline. Now I will do this eye and I will apply some falsies and I will be back. Now for highlighting my face and my inner corners and my brow bone, I will be using this FARESAT palette and I will be mixing 3 of my favorite shades. For lipstick today, I will be going with this MATTEILICIOUS lip crayon by NYKAA in the shade Jade Rose. And on top of that, I will be applying this Maybelline Cherry Chic. This is the powder matte lipsticks. Now I will wear some jewelries and I will be back. So guys, this is the finished look for Saraswati POOJO 2018. I hope you guys like this Saraswati POOJO makeup tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. So I will see you again on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye guys.